Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Moving forward, the last thing from our today's session is going to be the customer reports. Let's see all the customer reports that NetSuite offers. If we go in reports and we scroll down a little bit over here. Alright, here we have auto management reports. You have your open sales orders or open pending sales orders fulfillment report, back order report. You have your return authorization registered. All sort of auto management reports available. Again, very handy and very important for your sales and marketing team to track all the orders and just make sure everything is being fulfilled on time. And if there are any returns and if your management is very much interested in knowing all the returns that are coming from your customers, you can see all these reports and it will be really helpful in identifying all the root cause problems why your customers are giving you returns. Let's say if in a given month you have a lot of returns, the management or the sales, the reasons of those returns. Let's say if you have an open sales order report. This is based on the as of date and the subsidiary that you will select. You will see all the open sales order at a given point in time. Now the management and the sales and marketing team are very much interested. And their API performance indicators are actually dependent upon how much orders are fulfilled. If there is anything pending, it's actually a concern for them. They will be tracking this report a lot and this is going to help you in identifying all the open sales orders. You have your date, document number, customer, the status and the open amount. Again, a very important report from that perspective. Then you have your sales order pending fulfillment. These are all the sales orders that have been entered but are yet to be fulfilled. This is a very important report for your sales supply chain manager. Based on this report, he can do his planning and make sure the inventory is available. He can fulfill all these sales orders. Every report has its own purpose that it serves. Alright, let's just refresh this. And this is basically the sales backorder report. Again, a very important report from the supply chain perspective. The supply chain manager would be interested in knowing all the backordered quantities. Based on these quantities, he would be again doing some planning and would be ordering the goods from the vendors. He can fulfill these orders. Very important from that perspective. These are some order management reports. And then if you scroll down a little bit in the reporting section, you have your customers and receivables report. You have your customer profitability report. You have your customers by sales rep report. You have your AR aging report. You have your AR register. These are all important reports from finance and accounts perspective. If I open my customer profitability summary, based on the from date to date and the subsidiary that you select, you will see all the customers, all the cost and the total revenue that you made and the total profit that you made against each customer. If you need to identify all your profit-making customers, you can focus on them. You can target your attention towards them. This is again a very, very good report to identify your profit-making customers. Customer profitability summary. And then you have your customers by sales rep. You can see what customers are assigned and what are the sales rep assigned to your customers. Again, at this point in time, there are no sales rep. But again, very, very important for the sales and marketing team people. And then you have your AR aging report. This is very classic financial report where your accounting team would be tracking all the open AR that are due within 30 days, within 60 days, that are due from 90 days, or that are open from more than 90 days. They will try to track all these open AR amounts and will be calling to the customers and asking them to pay. All the important reports are coming out of the box. And then you have your AR registers. As the name says, this is a register that is going to record all the transactions that are hitting your accounts. Receivable account. Based on the from date to date, you can see all the transactions impacting your AR ledger. These are all the standard reports that you get out of the box. I would highly recommend you to go in the reporting section and explore all the standard NetSuite reports. And make sure that you're aware of them. And you're aware of the look and feel of these reports. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.